So now let's create our first DAX code. So for that, I'll be creating a visualization. So let's bring the product type to our uh, dashboard pane. And as you can see, we have three types of product, that is apparel, electronics and foods. And let's bring their total sales. So I have brought this one as well, and let's change the it to a chart. So as you can see, these are the charts which we have obtained from the for the product type and their sales. In this visualization pane, we have different types of properties like size, height. We can increase from this up arrow or down arrow key button, or straight away we can change, or we can give some values so that our chart size, height or width, it will be we can define it. So let's give it for 600, and we can on and off this aspect ratio, and the things like titles. We can increase the font size, we can give the size, we can make it big, bold, italic or underline, or we can change the effects, like there will be background or not, and other properties like tooltips, header icons. So there are various types of options are there, so we can use of them for our purpose. For time being, let's collapse all this, as we are not going, as we don't need all of them, but you can use it for your purpose if you need it. So I have collapsed this. Let me go to the visual pane and change the axis. We can change the axis values. We can make it bold, uh, or we can do same thing for y-axis as well. So, and that is present in the value section. We can increase the values from here, and we can also make it bold, and we can do italics or underline as well. The title also were present over here. We can change the font size, and that is, let's collapse this. So these are the variables, or these are the properties that we can set from visual window as well. So let me keep this bold, or same thing will apply for y. Let me make this as bold. Okay, this is fine. Let me collapse all this. So this is for the chart type, and we can change this chart type uh, into the matrix as well. So it is very easy that we can change any visual bar charts into the matrix as well. For that, I'll click on these visuals, and instead of the graph, I'll click on matrix. We can click on table, or we can click on matrix. So matrix, it will give us in the same thing in the number format. And as you can see, general and visuals also, some of the properties or some of the field that is common for both matrix and for the visual, for the bar charts. As you can see, some of the common things are there, or some of the things that is, some properties is little bit changed, that is exclusive for this matrix. As you can see, some of the alternate like tooltips, this and all is present, but if you click on visuals, you can see uh, the x and y axis is not there. Instead of that, grids, values, style, presents, borders, this and all is there. Horizontal grid, vertical grids, this and all properties are there, and the borders also is there. We can change it, top, bottom, something like that. We can give or increase the values as well to make it little bit larger in size. Let me collapse this, and as you can see, some other properties like column headers also you can change. You can change its number, or you can make it bold as well, and similarly for row headers also is there. This is for the text. So that's all is for its properties. And now what I'll do, I'll create or I will write the first DAX measure. For that, I'll click on this new measure and I'll give a name for this measure. You can keep it measure as well, or you can give your name. For timing, I'm giving a different name, and that is sum of total sales. And this is will be this is the first DAX code that we are going to write. And I'll come to the next line and I'll write the SUMX formula. SUMX is required two argument. First one is table, and table we get in this is sales table, and the expression is nothing but the calculation, the mathematical calculation. So this total sales represents the this product has a total sales. This total sale is nothing but tax included the product price, uh, which is multiplied with the quantity. So same thing we'll do over here, same calculation we'll do. So first we'll choose price each without tax. So I'll type it over here, price each without tax, and that is from the sales table. And we'll do plus along with the tax, because the tax is also included. So I'll type tax, and this is also from sales table. This price without tax and tax is 1 unit. So I'll make this inside a first bracket, and this one single unit is being multiplied with the quantity. So I'll type the quantity, which is also from the here, which is also from the sales table. So I'll type it quantity. I'll choose this and I'll hit the enter key, and this will be calculating sum of total sales. Now this value should match with the total sales that is already present in the sales table. So let me bring this sum of total sales value in this table as well, so that we can compare both the values. If I go up, here is that one. So I'll bring this, I can drag or I can click on this checkbox, and both the values is over here. And as you can see, both apparel, electronics and food having same values. So that's how we can create, and we have written our first DAX formula. So that's all for now. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Till then, take care, bye bye, and I'll see you with another new exciting video. Thank you, bye bye.